West wind disease is usually caused by some form of stressor such as running for elected office, emotional, psychological stress, sleep deprivation, low protein diet, nutrient deficiency, and exposure to dishonest politicians. Symptoms commonly associated with West wind disease are addiction to power, allergy to the truth, hypersensitivity to honest people, attempts to control everything, and constant craving for attention. A West wind disease diagnostic test costs only $19.99. It checks saliva for capacity to tell the truth. The archaean parasites responsible for causing this disease have recently been found to be secreted in the oral cavity, making such a low-cost, easily administered diagnostic test preferable to the more costly and invasive diagnostic tests used previously. The diagnostic test must be performed in a clinical setting with results in as little as 20 minutes by enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, ELISA. This slide shows the raw data from the latest study of a population-based sample of 10,000 people. The positive test 1,274 showed true positive with the disease. Without the disease, the false positive showed 7,243 for the total of 8,517. The negative test with the disease showed the false negative of 126 with the disease. Without the disease, the true negative shows 1,357 for the total of 1,483. The prevalence of this disease is 14%. The results from the latest study of a population-based sample of 10,000 people, the specificity of true negative over false positive plus true negative shows 16% healthy, but 100% are healthy. The sensitivity true positive over true positive plus false negative shows 91% sick, but 100% are sick. The positive predictive value true positive over false positive plus true positive shows 15% are sick, but 100% show positive. The negative predictive value true negative over false negative plus true negative shows 92% of are healthy, but 100% show negative. If your patient tests positive for this horrific disease, they can be easily treated with pharmaceuticals such as pentothal, known as true serum. For less severe cases, natural and supportive care such as adequate sleep and rest, exercise, massage, acupuncture, proper diet, adequate protein, vitamins and minerals, meditation, prayer, and nutritional supplements, vitamin C and B5 are some of the natural ways to start your patients off to establishing a positive regimen that supports restoration to normalcy. West wind disease is a terrible disease that is easily treatable, even though today this disease is somewhat prevalent. 14% of the population is currently affected. It seems there could be a high risk of it becoming an epidemic in the United States. Lastly, research is underway to develop a new diagnostic test that would result in higher specificity than the current saliva test.